Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Shandong LONGZE machine. Today we are export our heavy-duty wheel loader to South Africa. This wheel loader fits with a 70 horsepower diesel engine and a full hydraulic control system. And this wheel loader with a 3 cubic meters bucket tank. Our client in South Africa has a biomass pallet making factory, and they use this wheel loader for loading wood branches, wood chips, and wood sawdust. If you are interested in our wheel loader, please send your inquiry to LONGZE team. Thanks for watching today's video. Trust LONGZE machine, trust LONGZE quality. Bye bye.